Um, One second. Vinutna, can you turn on your camera? Okay. Let's just start. Let others join. Can you explain what exactly have you thought of about your campaign and how are you proceeding with it?
Um, so I thought like a campaign which I was thinking should be related to crush because we are just talking about as Nandini said she would be doing on singles. So I thought about like why not crushes like nowadays people are crushing like they have this point of view about their relationship that they have crush on someone but they are not aware how to confess them. So I thought about that sort of campaign, but it is still disorganized because I'm not getting the whole main point content. Like I'm just getting help from Chat GPT. I just give like command, but I'm not getting a pure like something which I want to do.
Okay, so have you documented anything which you found relatable or what you're planning on doing? Or is it just a thought?
Um, I didn't document it, but I have all the scripts and everything in my like I will be adding in the word first, then I will be putting it in the list. So I can just show you. Like by the end of the day I can show you.
Okay, so what have you done so far? Like, what exactly have you done so far?
So as I was going to all the like campaign ideas. First I was like going you said that you I can't like do that. Then I got to some other campaign which was that one which was like connected the person connected to one and like your red line will come, that is called S line. But I thought like this is also like people are using, but I thought I was going like for the crush one. And yeah, I was researching for Instagram like relationship videos. So where I got some videos I gone through some videos, and there I got to know some videos in where they were telling like you have a crush but you don't able to confess it. And there are like something called a written text over there, some songs with those texts, someone trying to flirt with those texts. Yeah, I was going to those kind of like reels.
Okay, but what I'm trying to say is, have you planned what sort of formats will go on your grid? Have you planned in that way? Did you go through the document which I've sent?
Like a half of it I gone, but I have to like go through it. Just give me today, like end of the day, because I want to create I will be doing a reel till this Monday or this Sunday. I will be doing with my friends. Like creating the reel. I was thinking ki I should do reel like near my college, or I should just go college near my college is also best place, but I was thinking ki I should go in another college area where people are there more. Sort of like Bandra is like good area for doing reels. So yeah.
See, the point is not to make a reel. The point is what sort of format are you choosing. So week two is you ideating on what to do. Week three will
Okay.
be execution. So see, this is the end of the week,
Um.
and by Monday we
Okay.
expect you to come up with the entire plan what you have for week three. So make sure, like, I'm just letting it go, but I expected at least 60% of the work to be shown today. What sort of ideas have you gotten? What exactly do you
Hmm.
think about your campaign? Which, for example, if you've taken Crush, what sort of branding will you have for it? What sort of posts will go? Everything, at least 60% should have been there. But it's fine if you're working on the weekends, that's fine. Just have it ready by Monday and we can go over it. Okay?
About the grid, like do I have to also think about the cover page and the songs I'm going to use and the way, so everything should be there in the document?
Yeah, just go through the document which I've given. Everything is mentioned there.
Okay.
Try to follow the same.
Mhm.
It has all the hashtag, it has
Okay.
all the audio, it has also the way your grid
Yes.
should look. So everything should be mentioned.
Use other than this hashtags, like something else, like with using the hashtags you have given in the document. So with that, I can't use other hashtags. Is it okay, like putting in the document of mine?
That's my campaign. That's an example document. So I'm asking you to
Okay.
mention whatever is relevant for your theme. So for example,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
it's related to
Got it.
crush, I'm expecting you to have sort of a hashtag ready for it. I'm expecting you to have some
Yeah, yeah, sure.
songs ready for it. So that's the expectation.
Okay.
Try to go over the document like a structure where you can put your things, right? So if you see a grid, you should also have your own grid and have posts which are, something which you can execute in week 3. So if you are talking about
Okay.
Q&A,
Sure.
if you are comfortable being on the camera, then put Q&A. Otherwise, if you're comfortable making a meme, that's also fine, where you don't have to show your face. But all of that has to be described in your document which you present on Monday.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Is there any other doubt? Just go through the week, the monthly plan again. Try to understand whatever
Hmm.
is spelled out for week 2 and go over the template which I've shared in the group. Compare both of them, understand, and then make the document. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Is there any other doubt?
No.
Okay. Um, I'll just talk to the others later. I think that's it, Vinutna. You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.